Okay, so in example 20, I want to know between Angelica and Carla, who can throw or whose softball reaches the ground first. Okay, so we can take a look at Angelica. This is Angelica here. And we can see that her softball reaches the ground in 2.5 seconds. So that's one of the roots. Okay, the other one is over here in negative land, but we don't care about that one because it's irrelevant to a real world situation. Okay, so now we got to figure out the roots of this. And the roots of a non-factorable quadratic equation, okay, we got to use the quadratic formula. Which, if you remember, is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. Okay, so let's figure out what our values are. So we have a, we have b, we have c. So we plug in negative 18.8 plus or minus the square root of 18.8 squared minus 4 times negative 8 times 5 for a, b, and c, all over 2 times negative 8. So we're going to do 18.8 squared. 18.8 times 18.8 is 353.44. 44. And then we're going to do negative 4 times negative 8 times 5. So if you know some math, negative negative makes a positive. So it's going to be plus 4 times 8 times 5. 4 times 8 times 5, and we get 160. So if we do 353, 4 plus 160, okay, we get 513, and then we square root that, and we get 22.67. We're going to round that up, so we get plus or minus 22.67. And then we have negative 18.8 over negative 16. So we can also switch these to both be positive, okay, since the plus or minus. So now we have 18.8 plus 22.67 divided by 16. Oops. So we get 18.8 plus 22.67. We divide that by 16, and we get 2.59. So that's one root, so 2.59 seconds. And then the other root, we take 18.8 minus 22.67. We get a negative value divided by 16. So we get a negative 0.24. Okay, so this is positive and that's negative. And this is actually extraneous because it's negative. So this one is 2.59, so that's about right there. So it actually looks like Angelica's ball will reach the ground first.